Okay, here we are tonight trying to troubleshoot this. Chased it for about 3 hours today trying to figure out why I can't get this saw to cut square. It's a Bosch 12-inch sliding compound miter saw, and followed everything in the instruction manual, how to adjust the head, the angle, the blade, put a new blade on it. And unfortunately, I'm pretty disappointed. So you got two tables here, right? Support tables. You got the main turntable and then the outfeed tables. And this is a joined board, 4x4, joined on two sides, the fence side and the bottom side. And here we go. This is part of the problem. So when this is hanging over, you can see it puts a gap. So unless you're putting total down pressure, we got a gap. We got a problem with Bosch. I expected more, but we got the same problem on the other side. Push down on it, we're good. Falls down onto the support. That throws everything off. So when it comes to cutting crown molding, base molding, miters, anything else on long stock other than what fits on your turntable, we got problems. Thanks for watching.